Hey guys, we are Team Cabbage and we're here today to present our hackathon project. To summarize, we created a web application that tracks missing people and pets built on data from official sources and user-generated submissions. Data for missing people and pets are widely available on the internet, but it's often just text without corresponding maps. This can make it quite difficult for investigators and our people to get a clear understanding of the situation, which is why we decided to create a one-stop website that provides comprehensive and geographical clues. Our web application aims to solve this issue by offering a visual component to missing persons and pets data. With our app, investigators will be able to access more in-depth information, including maps and other relevant details. Users and officials can of course create accounts and post new information to keep the search up to date, ensuring a faster and more efficient search. Hence, longer are days of needing to physically post up flyers to find missing pets and or persons. Now, our web application comes packed with features such as dashboard for all current missing people, filtering functionality by pets and people, location-based data, and much more. Now, the primary building blocks of our application involve a React Vite project as the front end, Express.js server acting as the middleware, and a backend Springboot. Additionally, we use numerous APIs ranging from Google Maps, the built-in geolocation, and so much more. Now let's take a look at a quick demo of our web application. We're greeted to a dashboard filled with pre-generated missing persons based on both scrape data and personal randomized test case. Important note, the distance from is not randomly generated, but rather based on the calculation from your current position to each missing entity. The first item that might catch your eye is a slider over at our nav bar. Clicking it filters for only pets to be tracked and vice versa on this dashboard. As a normal user, you'll be asked if the web page can access your geolocation. This will allow for the next feature in going to the map near me. Clicking this, you can scroll to see if there are any missing persons or pets around you. Note that this data is based on last seen locations. We can try clicking on nearby icon to identify and view the individual's information. Clicking the center button brings us back to our current location. Returning to the home page by clicking the top left lets us interact with some of the cards. Switching to filter for pets, we find some of the information is different. One can add a missing person or pet by depending on the filter at the top on the nav bar. Additionally, there are login pages which are not fully implemented yet. Lastly, we can actually interact with the cards by viewing and clicking on the map button to go to the location. Our future roadmap involves building out a much larger network of web scrapers to fill in and expand our missing database, a fully fledged user account system allowing for management and tracking of self-generated missing pets or person cards, and lastly, user experience improvements.